Hello guys, welcome back to another video lecture on Math Academy. These are going to be the never before and never after video lectures. So let's move on. So if you haven't watched the previous video lectures in this series, then please go through them so that you'll have a clear understanding of this course. Okay. So the video links of the previous videos will be in the description, or you can find an I symbol at the top of the video. You can click on that. Okay. Now if you haven't, then please do like, share and subscribe to Math Academy. And let's start our fifth video lecture in this series. So here we'll just see an example so that you'll have better understanding. So we have an example saying that 581 into 999. Okay, see how are you going to solve these type of problems. So multiplication by 999, like any number of nines. So in this trick we have to remember that, see, we have taken 581 into 999, right? So see how many number of digits here we have. Here we have 3. So here also we should have 3. Okay, so here also we have 3. So the number of the digits on the both these sides should be equal. Okay, so here we have 3 numbers, here also we have 3 numbers, then only this trick applies. Okay, so like we can take another example saying that 7 8 9 1 4 6 into, see here we have how many digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here we have 6 digits. Here also we should have 6 number of nines. Okay, so then only this rule applies, this trick applies. So so in the next video lecture, so we'll gonna discuss, see if what if we don't have the same number of nines. In the next video lecture we'll gonna discuss about that. For now we'll see what if we have same number of nines. Okay, like same number of digits on both sides. So here if you see this example 581 into 999, we have same number of digits on the both these sides, so 3 and 3. So we can apply this trick. So how are you going to do this? See, 581 we have, right? So 581 into 999, how are you going to do this is, so first step is that we have to less 1 from this. Okay, less 1 from this 581, any number we have to, first step is this, we have to less 1. Okay, so the answer is 580. Okay, now what are we going to do? The next step, see, here we are gonna write like this. Okay, 9 9 10, all numbers with 9 and last number with 10. Okay, we are going to subtract. Okay, so I'll just erase this one. Okay, so that you won't be confused, this one. Okay, now see, now what are we going to do? We are going to subtract 581 with 9 9 10, all numbers with 9, last number should be subtracted with 10. Okay, so what are you going to do here? In this case 9 minus 5 is 4. Here in this case 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 1 in this case is 9. Okay, so the answer is 580419. So we'll just see another example. In this case 7263 into 4 nines. Okay, 7263 into 4 nines. I'll just use 7263. so here we have 4 nines, 4 digits, right? So here also we should have 4 nines. Okay, so now we are gonna see how we are gonna solve. So we are gonna use the same trick as we did in the previous example. So first thing is we have to less 1. Okay, so what are we gonna get? So we are gonna get 7262. Now what is the next step? We have to less 7263 with 9 9 9 and the last number with 10. Okay, all numbers should be lessed by 9 and the last number with 10. Okay, this step you have to remember. So here in this case 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 10 minus 3 is 7. So the answer is 726222737. This is the answer. Now so let's see another example. 753656. So 753656, right? Okay, 753656 into, see how many numbers, number of digits we have here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have 6 here. In this case we have 6. So how many number of nines we are gonna have here? 9. It's 6. Okay, 4 5 6. So I'm just writing here so that I don't have any space for that, so I'm writing down below. Okay, now so let's see how we're gonna solve. It's just simple. We are gonna use the same trick as before. Okay, so first thing is we have to reduce -1 in this. Okay, so what are you gonna get? 7 5 3 6 5 6, sorry, 7 5 3 6 5 5, right? So here it is 6 5 5. 6 minus 1 is 5, right? Okay, we are gonna reduce 1. Okay, now what are we gonna do? Next step, we are gonna less all numbers with 9 and last number with 10. Okay, this is the same trick applied for any number. Okay, see, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer is 7 5 7 5 3 6 5 5 2 4 6 3 4 4. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope you understood how to solve this. Okay, now let's see the last example. So it's just simple. Okay, so I'll just directly write the answer. Okay, so what I'm going to do, first step, we are gonna reduce -1 from the number. Okay, so 9 8 7 9 3 8 7 4 5 6, and what I'm going to do, reduce less all numbers with 9 and last number with 10. Reduce all numbers with 9 and last number with 10. Okay, so 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1. We have to come from starting. Okay, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0 again, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 minus 10, last number should be left with 10, right? So 10 minus 7 is 3. So I'm just continuing here. Okay, so what is the answer? 987 938 745 601 206 125 43. So this is the answer. So see how simple the trick is. So the first rule is that any number we have to less with -1. Okay, less with -1 the whole number, and the next step is that we have to less all numbers with 9 and the last number with 10. Okay, I hope you understood how to solve this trick. Now, okay, let's see some practice questions. So you have, please do solve them, and please do comment, uh, please do comment down. And so as I said, practice makes man perfect. So please do practice as many problems as you can, so that you won't be confused in between the tricks, and you will get better accuracy. Okay, so that is main important. So speed is important as well as accuracy is also important. Getting the right answer is important. So thank you, and please do like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy. Thank you.